This time on Wendigo Mountain.
What's coming?
That was a fucking Wendigo or something.
Where the trail go, man?
Never gonna make it to the top of this mountain! Ray! Oh! Come on, you out of shape, fucking donut. Oh!
Good morning. Today, Gage and I are going to do Giant Mountain and Rocky Peak Ridge. And with any luck, we won't fall off and die.
Yeah,
That is icy.
Oh my god. Attendez vous de la plus abondante best altitude.
I think that means this is going to be a really easy and safe hike, right? What does danger in French mean?
Sausage.
The wind is ripping, Randy. We're almost there. It's not a lie if I believe in it, right? Oh. The Chinese crampons work pretty good. Oh, put a lot of faith in them. This is as far as we can go. Damn it, Ray! Screw Ray. If it wasn't pitch black, you'd be able to see the whole valley. Okay. That is a sheer lift. I'm having to believe that that is not a good sign. We did it! We made it! We're going to Big Ass Mountain, right? What in the holy fuck was that?
That was a fucking Wendigo or something.
My battery will die and then we'll get killed, right? We're just willingly going towards the really sketchy noise we just heard, right? Okay. This time on Wendigo Mountain. Please don't eat us. And if you do, send my footage in. Do we have anything of value that we can offer the Wendigo? No! From the MRE, dude! That'll fix him! It'd be like, what the hell did you guys give me? What do you see, a Wendigo? Damn it, he's gonna get there before we do! Where the trail go, man? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. I give up. I'd like to go home now. Do we go the easy way or do we go the veteran route?
Veteran.
All right. All right. Oh, cool. We're never gonna make it to the top of this mountain.
I'm hurt. We need to call Ray.
Ray! Oh! This is not a guide.
This is not a guide. It's hardly educational.
Oh, you're going the veteran route, huh? Dude, look, this is beautiful. Cairn! There's a cairn up ahead. I feel like my knees are gonna break in half.
Well, that's so good. Turn back.
No fucking way. We die here.
Oh, dude.
It's clearing up.
Whoa. Big time. You couldn't see that
No.
over there.
Oh no. What's coming? That damn Wendigo? Why would you take the easy route when you can take the fun route? So here's what I'm gonna say to you. That's Rocky Peak Ridge. And there's quite the valley in between the two. Yeah.
Come on, you out of shape, fucking donut.
I think it's gonna get stormy pretty soon. We can only hope. We're heading that way. We're heading over there. Buddy, what the? What the?
We're a real good game. Half expected that to rip. No, no, got it.
These alpine beds don't mess around.
No,
One, hey, we're the first ones to show up and the last ones to leave. And whether that's a good thing or not,
like the Marine.
all right. I'm gonna try it out, all right? Worst happens, that's all time.
Yeah, I stepped in it. It's like ankle deep.
No! Where did it bounce? Where did it bounce? You can dig in on the left side. Aim for the bushes. Oh no! Oh no! It's a hydrant beam, little monsters. Oh! Oh! Dude! I hit that furry one right there that bounced me and then I slipped. Mud. Even in winter, the Adirondacks still produce mud. Now we go back up. Ah. Yeah, I would just say that on account of my mediocrity, this is where I will remain for the foreseeable future. Windy. But I'm somewhere near the point where if I fall over again, I'm just going to stay there. God damn it!
So what did you say before you fell? I didn't hear you.
at this. We're gonna put the Evos to the test, son. I'm gonna walk right up that way. Now this is not what these are meant for. That worked. And the shoes worked better than I thought. However, the entire time I was doing that, felt like at any moment I was going to come crashing down. Oh, sorry.
Almost died.
And once again, we're the first ones to show up and the last ones to leave.